Hi everyone, it's Amy and it's time for our Hurricane Irene giveaway winners. So I'm going to choose two winners, and the first giveaway package is this Fisker's Punch. These beautiful butterflies. This Dynamics scalloped lace edge die. And these mounted Stamper's Best stamps. So I've got random.org here, and I've got 67 comments, and I generated the number 56. So I'm going to go to my comments, and hopefully I can get to 56. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56. And the winner is craftsdotcupcake. So congratulations, craftsdotcupcake. PM me your name and address, and I will send these out to you. And for our second giveaway winner, just as a reminder for our prize, is a Copic marker, a beautiful set of butterflies, these Crafty Secrets clear stamps, and this Spellbinder's Shapeabilities. So let's choose a winner. Okay, 1 to 67. Generate. Okay, I've got 23. Let's find 23. Go to the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. The winner is Shanjamorjor. Congratulations, Shanjamorjor. Actually, that says this has been flagged for spam. Let me show that. Okay, it's not spam, so it's going to be Shanjamorjor. And congratulations. Please private message me your name and address, and I will send these out to you. Because it's the holiday, I'll send them out Tuesday morning. Okay, thank you guys. Thanks for, and also thanks for all my subscribers for supporting me, and also those of you that are new and found me through this giveaway. I hope that I can post plenty more videos and be an inspiration to some of you. So, and keep the videos coming, everyone. So, thank you very much, and have a good weekend. Bye-bye.